Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix missing file privileges on Steam. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to completely close your Steam. So just go on the system tray or the task manager, right click on it and exit Steam, right? And then once you turn off Steam, go again on Steam, right click again, and then open as admin, right? And after that, we need to wait for a couple of seconds, but you need to maybe log into your account and go to the Steam again. So for some people, running Steam as admin fixed their problem. If it's not the case, if the problem still persists, what I suggest to do here is to go on Steam on the top left and then open up settings, right? And once you open up settings, you need to go to downloads and then change download region to the nearest one. So if, for example, I live in the France, Paris, I can change to, as you can see here, there is a couple of options on France. So where's the France? As you can see here, there is Helsinki, Marseille, Paris, and more. So change download region to the nearest one and restart your app. And also as well, you can clear your download cache. Clear cache, but keep in mind that when you clear your cache, you need to put your Steam password again to log into your account, right? And after that, after you complete these two steps, you need to look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to the library, find the game where you're getting problem with, and then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe your files is corrupted and need to be fixed. So go ahead, do that, and maybe restart your computer and tell me in the comment section below if it worked for you or not. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.